What is going on, guys? Let's get to it. Day 138. I don't remember. Doesn't matter. Okay. What am I doing today? Today let's do this. Okay, sorry about the fan, bro. Oh my god, it's so hot today. I need the fan, or else I'm gonna die. So I know it's a little loud in the videos, but bear with me, guys. Cause I don't want to turn on noise cancellation too, cause I think it messes up my audio sometimes. Like you guys, I've watched some of my videos back, and it doesn't sound the greatest with noise cancellation. So need to find a different solution, but for now, it's bearable, right? So, but today we're gonna do let's test for conditionals, not conditionals. Let's test for expressions, like boolean expressions. So we need to make a new test. Test eval boolean. Test eval bool. Yeah, right here. So we need to add more here. Let's do this. Like we do 1 less than 2. That should be true. We have 1 greater than 2. That's false. One greater than 1, 1 less than 1. That's not true, so it's false. 1 greater than 1. That's also false. And then let's do 1 equal 1. That should be true. True. 1 equal 1. 1 does not equal 1. That's false. True. 1 does not equal 1. That's false. 1 equals true is false. False. And 1 does not equal 2. True. Oh yeah. So these are some expressions that we need to write or test for. Damn, bro, my freaking neighbors are like smoking or something. It smells like shit. God damn. Okay, whatever. Okay, so let me get to this. What am I doing? So it's actually the same thing as evaluating normal expressions like this. Eval like right here we can add another case. Well, actually, yeah, we can do that now. Like case where operator equals equal. Return native. We could do that. I forget what this takes. An input. Okay. Wait, what? Just an input? Not sure what this is supposed to take. An expression. Oh. I see. Left equal right. I guess we can take this. Right. This will help solve, this is not necessarily infix, more of the, like, evaluating booleans and, like, numbers together. Like, for example, like stuff like this, you know? Like, so, I haven't got to this part yet, but I did, this one fixes the whole expression for this function. I think I need to make another, function. Let's call this, evaluate, oops, let's do boolean. So it's none of these for sure. Oh, let's try this. Let's do this. So if it's like this, then we'll say that. And then we'll say this is, we need to make a boolean. Yeah, I shouldn't make a new object. I think I should be returning, I think, wait, this is not, we're not supposed to do this. We already have a boolean, right? Wait, I'm confused. Eval integer, this one. Oh, yeah. We just add on here. Right? So, case return native boolean object. We'll just say left value, right value. Right? There's like greater than, equal, does not equal, 3 more, so. Oh my god. 3p. So let's do that. We have, okay, we have greater than, less than, equals, does not equal, yeah, does not equal. Yeah, that's exactly my point, because we don't need to create an inner object. We have like a thing that makes it, you know. So all we have to do is pass in a boolean expression. Very nice, very nice. I think this should basically pass most of the things. Let me just run it. Okay, failed something. What did it fail? I think I miswrote something. Test bool. One of these. Let's go to this. 1 less than 2 true, 1 greater than 2 false, 1 less than 1 false, 1 greater than 1 false, 1 equals yes, 1 does not, that is false, 1 equals 2, false, 1 does not equal, yep, that's true, so I think it should be good now. Okay, let's add a few more. For example, we can now, so since we added the other statement, we can add like stuff like this, like true equals true, or false equals false. That should be also true. True equals false is false. We also have true does not equal false. That's very true. We also have false does not equal true. That's true. We can do like integer expressions like 1 less than 2 equals true. So this is true and equals true. That's true. We also have the same thing. I say false. This should be false. And then we also have 1 greater than 2 equals true. One greater than 2 equals true. False is false. One greater than is true. False. One greater than. Wait, so equals false. That's false equals false. That's true. Yep. So these should also pass. Okay, never mind. Okay, I hate my life. Beautiful. So, perfect. We're evaluating Boolean expressions. Next part is conditionals. For example, like an if-else statement. What do you guys think? Should we do that today? We'll do that tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll do if statements and return statements. So yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you for tomorrow's. Peace.